So I have done a little bit more work on Asteroid Commander. Now when you rotate your view, your direction buttons also rotate to correspond. There's 122 areas on the map where you can build buildings, and 110 of those are hexagons. So the other 12 are pentagons. If we go to the North Pole, where are you, you little devil? There it is. There's the North Pole, so there's 20 different rotation angles that you can use here on a pentagon. And if we go, let's see, which way do we want to go? Let's go south here. So most of these transitions are pretty good. There's a couple that aren't quite right. So if we go down to, let's go south here to the South Pole, you can see that this transition is out of phase. So there's a few that I have to fix, but for the most part you can move around the asteroid pretty quickly. I'm going to be adding a reticule around whatever work area that you're working on. This is going to be a close-up 3D view of the area that you're working on. I'll probably have latitude and longitude up here, some buttons up here for build and demolish and upgrade, checking messages, stuff like that. This will be information about the area that you're working on, and down here is going to be a couple of lines of scrolling text. It's a news feed. It's part of the storyline, but you can just ignore it if you just want to be an asteroid mogul and ignore the storyline. What else? Oh, I'm also going to be putting in a couple of sprites here. Besides the reticule in front of layer 1, there's going to be the sun between layer 0 and layer 1. The asteroid's on layer 1. And then between the background and layer 0 is going to be a star field. And of course, all of that will change as you move around the asteroid. And over the course of one orbit, oh, I'm upside down. Over the course of one orbit, the background stars will change, the position of the sun relative to those background stars will change, that sort of thing. You won't be able to see the sun at all unless it's something like this where most of the asteroid's in shadow, and that way, you know, the sun won't appear at all when most of the asteroid is lit up. So there's a lot more to go in this program, but at least I've got movement sort of working, and so that's real good. And there's more to come.